Before we go to subject, we should see this ad. That is for 11th, 12th and 12 plus, we are taking classes online and offline. If there is any query, you can contact this number for further details. So living world. In the living world, see these are all the pictures given in NCERT. In this, the first picture is hierarchy of kingdom. Taxonomic hierarchy. What is taxonomic hierarchy? Hierarchy means it is step by step. See, in this hierarchy, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. So you can remember like this. The next picture, it is bacteria of different shape. Bacteria, it is beads like shape. So it is round, no beads. Here this one is bacilli. This is spirillum. Spirillum is spiral shaped. Vibrio cholerae. Vibrio means it is comma shaped. Next one is filamentous blue-green algae. Example is nostoc. What is the speciality of nostoc? It has heterocyst. In this heterocyst, it has NIF gene. NIF means nitrogen fixing gene. So this NIF, using this NIF gene, it can fix the atmospheric nitrogen. So nostoc is very essential for fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Next diagram is dividing bacterium, that is, it is a fission. In fission, cytokinesis followed by karyokinesis. See, in fission, first kinesis. Kinesis means it is division. Division of cytoplasm. Then second step is karyokinesis, division of nucleus. So in mitosis, if you take first division of nucleus. So nucleokinesis is fast. Then first step is nucleokinesis. Second step is that is cytokinesis. Nucleokinesis first, second one is cytokinesis. Then euglena. Next diagram is euglena. What is the speciality of euglena? Euglena is connecting link between plant and animal. Plant and animals. So what they will ask, they will give some this picture, what is the type of organism, they will ask like that. So it is a connecting link between plant and animal. Plant character is preparing food, it is a chlorophytic, so autotroph. Animal like character is presence of cell membrane. Then this one is a paramecium. Paramecium is a horseshoe shaped structure. Next diagram is fungi. It is in fungi. This one is mucor. Mucor you can easily find out. It is a bread mold. When you keep bread for 2 or 3 days in a closed container, this fungi will develop there. That one is mucor. Aspergillus. This is aspergillus structure. This one is mushroom. Whatever you can see here and there, decomposed place you can see agaricus mushroom. Next one is tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus means what? See, tobacco mosaic virus. The virus attacking tobacco plant is called tobacco mosaic virus. Here, this part is RNA. This one is capsid. Then this one is bacteriophage. The virus attacking bacteria is called bacteriophage. This one is head, collar. Collar is a neck-like structure, and then sheath. This one is tail fibers. Next picture is in plant kingdom. Plant kingdom, algae. See, this is algae. This is called a volvox. What is the speciality of volvox? Volvox is a colonial form. Colonial form. It can move according to this group. So here this is daughter colony. Inside the colony you can find a daughter colony. This is parent colony. They will ask, they put this is A. What is this name refers to? They will ask. This one is Chlamydomonas. In the Chlamydomonas you can find a cup-shaped chloroplast. This one is Cara. What is the speciality of Cara? Cara is presence of Cara indicates water is pure. It is present only in pure water. Then next is brown alga. Brown alga you can find laminaria. This structure is laminaria. Laminaria has got three parts: hold fast, stipe, fronds. Then this one is a fucus. Fucus, air bladder, frond, midrib, hold fast. Diagrams and all you can follow only NCERT. Dictyota. Dictyota, stipe and fronds. Then red algae. Red algae you can get a porphyra structure and a polysiphonia structure. In porphyra only you can find a frond. In polysiphonia main axis branches. See here, this one is a polysiphonia. Polysiphon means many branches. Poly means many. Siphon means siphonated. This is called a polysiphonia structure. Next one is Bryophytes. In the Bryophytes, liver rod Morgantia structure is given. See, one is female thallus and another one is male thallus. How do you find when they give this set of picture? How do you find? See, they can fill. This is a female thallus. What is the structure of this? They will give clue as a female thallus. In female thallus, it is archegoniophore. If it is given male thallus, it is anthridiophore. That makes the difference. This is archegoniophore means archegonium bearing structure. Anthridiophore means anthridium bearing structure. Gemma cup. Gemma cup is when it is detached from the body, it will develop into a new plant. That is the speciality of Gemma cup. It is Mercantia is having Gemma cup. Next is Funaria, gametophyte and sporophyte of Funaria. Here it is together. This part up to this part is gametophyte. Leaf, main axis, rhizoids together called gametophyte. Then upper portion, this portion is called a sporophyte. Upper portion it is having foot seta capsule. Foot is here, seta capsule. Foot seta capsule. See, this is the fertile part of the Funaria. Then sphagnum. Sphagnum there is only two structure. Archegonial branch, antheridial branch. Antheridial branch is in the apex region. Archegonial branch is the bottom region. Then next is Gymnosperm. Gymnosperm cycus is a small one, that is below shrub-like structure. This is pinus, pine tree and all, it is very big. Ginkgo biloba, this structure is called a Ginkgo biloba. Next is Pteridophytes. In Pteridophytes, this is Selaginella. Selaginella, what is the speciality of Selaginella? It has a resurrection. Resurrection means what? Whenever unfavorable condition is there, it can wind up its body into ball-like structure. So that is called a resurrection. This character is found only in Selaginella. Then this one is Equisetum. Equisetum, the leaves are like pine. It is like this. So it has three parts: branch, internode, node, then strobilus. This one is a Salvinia. Salvinia is a water plant. Then this one is fern. You can Nephrolithis. Next is life cycle of angiosperm. Angiosperm life cycle. Here alternation of generation is there. Alternation of generation means sporophytic generation alternate gametophytic generation, or gametophytic generation alternates sporophytic generation. Here sporophytic generation is more. Many cells are in sporophytic, so it is diploid in nature. Gametophytic generation, few cells are gametophytic, so it is haploid in nature. Diplontic life cycle. So here The diplontic, haplontic, haplodiplontic. What is the difference between haplontic life cycle? When you observe haplontic life cycle, spores here, spores develop into gametophyte, gametophyte into gametogenesis. Here the zygote alone is 2n number. Other parts are n number. So that is called a haplontic life cycle. Majority of the parts are haplontic. Then in sporophyte, here in diplontic life cycle, you can find many of the diploid. Only gametes alone is haploid. Then haplodiplontic, it is mixed. Majority of the parts are haploid. Then if it is, if you like, what is the difference? Here also majority. Here zygote alone. Here in this zygote alone is 2n. Here gametes alone 2n. Gametes alone n. Here few parts. If you take haploid, if you take for example four structure haploid, no, then diploid has got 3. So majority is 4. So we can call this type of cycle as haplodiplontic. Thank you, students.